Hello students, this is the second part of our second prose, A Simple Philosophy, which is written by Siddhar. So in this second part, we are going to learn the summary and fourth paragraph on page number 7. Now listen carefully. The great chief of Washington, that is the president, proposed. What is the meaning of propose? Look at the board. To put forward to think over. The great chief in Washington, that is the president, proposed to buy the Native Americans' land. So, the great chief, it means the president of Washington. He proposed, it means put that thought in front of everyone, and that thought is to buy the Native Americans' land. Native Americans, these Americans are the main people of that land. From their ancestors, they are living in that land, and that is a tribal area or tribal people. The natives will consider it means think over carefully. The natives will consider the offer as they know that if they don't cooperate, they will be forced to surrender by the white men with guns. So the native peoples who were living in the forest area, those people knows that this offer they need to accept. If they didn't accept, if they oppose to this proposal, then the white people who lives in urban area, in cities, those people will, with the help of the gun, they forcefully take this land in their control. And this thing the Native Americans knew very well. Therefore, they were thinking about it to cooperate to this proposal of the president. Thus, the author gives his word to cooperate with the president's order. So, in this way, the author Siddhar told all the Native American people to cooperate to this proposal and president, because if you don't want any kind of harm to you, to your family, then accept this. If you don't accept, then the white people, then the people who live in urban area will come with their guns and kill everyone here. Next paragraph. Though the author agreed to sell his land, the idea it means appear or look, seems strange to him. So, though the author Siddhar was agreed to sell this land, North American land, so that time he was thinking that this idea is a very strange idea. Why? Because after all, how can one buy or sell the sky or warmth of the land? Warmth, it means love or hate. So why the writer thinking that this is strange idea? Because no one can buy or sell the sky. No one can compare the land's love or the land's hotness. So therefore the author says that this idea is very strange idea, unusual idea. The natives consider every part of the earth very sacred. Sacred it means holy. And the wonders. Wonder it means unexpected surprise. And the wonders of the nature are holy in their memory. So the native people who are living in the forest, those people think that not only this part but all the part which were on this earth, those parts are very sacred, those parts are very pure, very holy. And the wonder of the nature are holy in their memory. And in the nature you can see unexpected surprise always present there in the nature, and that is the very holiness in the memory of the native people, that wonder of the nature, unexpected surprise of the nature, that is holy, that is sacred for all the native people. So in this way this part is going to end here and we are going to stop here. Have a good day to all of you. Thank you very much.